I still have a massive amount of slop in the differential. So today I'm going to pull this whole center section out, and I've got a set of new side gears and new spider gears and new pin, all the parts to put on the inside. So I'm very curious to know where this clunk is. There's an awful clicking noise inside of there too. And that noise is very loud when you're shifting gears, or when you're going from reverse to forwards, or when you're just tapping the gas pedal and it takes up the slack. It's like a heavy metallic clank inside the rear end. I wouldn't mind the slop, but the noise is really bad. Here's my new gears. Got these off Amazon, and I'm just going to pop this open and see how tight these new side gears are on my axles. Because let me just show you my side gears presently. That's a good one. Let's go to the other one. It's quite a clunk. And then there we go. Just sliding it on, there's a huge ridge in there. Not good. Okay, here's a better set of axles than the other one. So this set of axles I will be using. And here is a new side gear out of the kit. Oh, that is so nice. There's a little, oops, I think I can feel a little tiny ridge way down there in that one. And here's the other axle, the other good axle. And let's just slide this new gear. Oh, that is so good. That's fantastic. And since that's so good, let's just go put it over here on the axle that's not so good. So these gears are significantly better than the old ones that are coming out. The old one here has quite a bit of slop, but you know what? There's still that little tiny bit of ridge there, so I'm still going to use these ones that I've got painted red. These were the ones I was planning on using anyway. I've already replaced the studs, and so there you go. Time to put it back together. I may as well be looking inside here anyway while I've got it apart. So here are all of my parts, new parts. I actually had brand new spiders and a pin in here anyway, but I'm going to use the new ones that came in the kit just because they all come together. Anyway, time to put it together. Okay, I've got it back together again, and let's just see what's going on here. Oh my goodness. I don't even remember how huge it was before. But I've got the wheels on the ground, and that's almost nothing compared to what it was before. So I guess I'll take it out for a drive and see if the big clang, it almost sounded like that. Yeah, I just had to show you this. This is one of the side gears that were in there. And I don't know if you can tell, there are almost no teeth. And I have a feeling that the really loud clank, the metal sound that came out, is probably teeth jumping inside of there. Quite likely. It sounded like when I took a wrench and hit on the drive shaft. It was like ding. So that's a pretty awesome looking original side gear that's been abused for many, many years. Anyway, the truck runs good now. I just took it for a drive, and it's so solid in there that it really is a jerking movement. There's no slippage anywhere. It's actually a pleasure to drive.